Frank Vogel will win the championship with the Suns in his 13th season as a coach. That's what he's going to do. 3 years with the Pacers, 6 years with the Pacers, 2 with Orlando, 3 with the Lakers. He loses to the Lakers in the conference finals. He wins the championship with the Suns for the Suns to be 1-3 in the finals with the 13th pick, Devin Booker, in his 13th season as a head coach. As we've said, it's 56 months from today to the 2025 NBA Finals. The Phoenix Suns are going to win the championship 56 months later. After 56 prior seasons, as a matter of fact. Phoenix Suns is Gematria 56. They'll win the 57th season because of, Devin Booker as Gematria 57. They're not going to win until the Suns' 57th season in existence. The bus rider is Gematria 57, right? Charles Barkley, the most legendary player of the Phoenix Suns, called him the bus rider. Charles is Gematria, I thought Charles had Gematria 57. Maybe it does not. What about Barkley? Charles Barkley is Gematria 59. Of course, the Lakers are going to prove to the Suns will fall to 5-9 against the Lakers in the playoffs. Goalkeeper Bond ties Black Mamba. Black Mamba is Gematria 59 as the Suns fall to 5-9 series record against the Lakers. That's how Coach Frank Vogel wins in his 13th season as a coach for the Suns to be 1-3 in the finals with the 13th pick. And Steve Nash, their best player ever, failed to win a ring with the Phoenix Suns. The 6-7 season, add up to 13, they got robbed by Tim Donaghy and the Spurs. It was a fixed series, but the NBA let it slide because they liked the international ratings from the Spurs team. In the Suns' 56th season, Goalkeeper Bond was going to be 5-6 in the NBA Finals. Goalkeeper Bond is going to defeat Frank Vogel yet again. What's his playoff record against Vogel? Versus Frank Vogel. Frank Vogel, a 7-12 record in the playoffs against Goalkeeper LeBron James. He's going to lose to the GOAT again for a 16th playoff loss to Goalkeeper LeBron James. GOAT Gematria 16 for the Lakers' first championship since beating the Heat. Is Heat, that's Gematria of 16. So all of this is happening in the Suns' 31st season at the Footprint Center. The Lakers win for the first time since at Disney at the bubble. Disney is 31. The GOAT in the Suns' 31st season, it's GOAT King LeBron James, not Kevin Durant. LeBron James. Bus Rider don't win until the 57th season. It's no lie that the Bus Rider and Devin Booker are alongside in their 57th season in existence. 56 prior seasons without winning for the Phoenix Suns until year 57. In their 57th season in the year 24-25. So Vogel will win another championship. He's going to win a championship 56 weeks later. We're talking about Coach Frank Vogel from the time that he won the championship at the bubble at Orlando, Florida, with the Lakers winning a ring with LeBron James. We go to the NBA Finals in June in 2025. This next year is GOAT King LeBron James. In Kobe's year 24, his birth year is 78, in the 78th NBA Finals. But 56 months later, Phoenix Suns win the championship. Next time Frank Vogel wins a title.